what's up? It's your boy Chord back here with your guitar interpretations. Today we're doing Bebe Rexha and DojaCat, Baby I'm Jealous. Okay, this is the actual song, not the acapella version, but you can play the same chords for the acapella version because it's the same key basically. Let me just confirm that. Yep, it's the same key. Very simple song, guys. We're playing it in standard open chords, and I'm gonna show you all of them, so don't worry about that. Just make sure your guitar's in standard tuning and your capo is on fret number 2. Okay, now the first chord is an A minor, okay, and then we go to an E minor, and then we go to a D minor, and then the last chord is F major. Okay, now if you're not familiar with these chords, you can check out my chord video. It is a detailed illustration on the chords, so you can learn them there and come back here for the illustration. But then we have this, right, that's being played on the actual song instead of the E minor chord. Okay, so we're playing A minor and then we go A minor. So this is according to the capo that we put on second fret, this is 3, 5, 7. This is this is frets 7 and 8, strings 1 and 2 respectively, 7 and 8, and then you slide down to fret number 5 for strings 1 and 2, so that's okay. You got that? And then you go to D minor and then F. Baby, I'm jealous. Na 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 na. Baby, I'm jealous. Na 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 na. Baby, I'm jealous. Alright, that's the whole song, guys. The verse, the chorus, everything. Doja's verse, it's the same chords. So that's pretty much the whole song. If there's any other songs that you want me to check out on this channel, new songs preferably, I will check them out. Do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you.